Imagine you're driving on a silent highway late at night. The road is empty. No traffic, no lights. Suddenly, a deep engine sound rises behind you. You check your side mirror. A motorbus slowly pulls alongside your car. At first, it looks normal, but then you notice the lights inside. They don't look like bus lights. They look like the lights of a luxury home. As the bus passes you, you realize something impossible. There are no passengers inside. There is a living room. This is the Mobile Motors MMX 990 home cruiser, a motorbus that doesn't just move, it lives. From the outside, the MMX 990 is designed to look simple on purpose. It has clean lines, no drama. That's because the real shock begins when the driver presses a single hidden button. In less than 40 seconds, both sides of the bus silently slide outward, and the vehicle doubles in width. What was once a road bus becomes a moving apartment. People stop, phones come out, traffic slows. This isn't just a vehicle, it's a spectacle. Now, let's step inside. The living room looks like it belongs in a modern penthouse. That sofa is empty, just covered in ordinary leather. It's a smart memory foam system that reshapes itself the moment you sit down, automatically correcting your posture. The screen in front of you isn't a TV. It's an AI wall. It shows your exact location, speed, altitude, current weather conditions, and even the road ahead, all in real time. The bus knows exactly where it is and where it's going. Then you see the kitchen. The cabinets light up as you approach, a subtle welcome. The fridge has a transparent smart panel that suggests meals based on your journey length. A message might appear on the screen. Based on your route, pasta is recommended for dinner. The stove sets its own temperature, and the coffee machine warms the cup before you even touch it. Mobile Motors claims the system learns your habits over time, anticipating your needs before you even know you have them. But it's the bathroom where people really stop believing. The shower isn't just about water. It uses steam, aromatherapy, and adaptive lighting to create an immersive experience. Driving through a forest, the lights shift to a soft green into desert. They turn to warm amber tones. In a snowy landscape, a calm white glow fills the space. After use, the toilet fully cleans and disinfects itself, completely without chemicals. It's a level of automation you'd expect in a 5-star hotel, not on the open road. Then comes the feature that no one expects, the bedroom. During the day, it doesn't even exist. But at night, when you activate sleep mode, the ceiling slowly opens and a full queen-size bed lowers silently into place. The walls transform into a star projection system. You can choose to sleep under a New York skyline, the desert stars, or in complete perfect darkness. It's your personal planetarium. Wherever you park for the night. And then, there's the most unreal feature of all, auto survival mode. If the MMX 990 enters an extreme environment-dense jungle, a snowstorm, the middle of the desert, or total isolation, the bus takes control. The wheels adapt their grip to the terrain. Solar panels on the roof shift their angle automatically to catch the most sunlight. The interior temperature locks itself, no matter how harsh the weather outside. According to Mobile Motors, the MMX 990 can survive for up to 7 days, completely self-sufficiently, without any external support. But there's one final detail that most people miss. A hidden room. A section of the wall slides open to reveal a fully soundproof workspace. It comes equipped with high-speed satellite internet and a smart desk that adjusts its height the moment your hands touch it. You're traveling the world, but your entire professional life is moving right there with you, uninterrupted. Mobile Motors calls the MMX 990 a concept for the future, a preview of what living might become, but it raises a real question. If your home could travel anywhere with you, would you ever want to stay in one place again? Let us know what you think in the comments, because a moving house isn't just a vehicle, it's a complete lifestyle. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed this look into the future, make sure to subscribe for more.